Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Easy Subli to sublimate directly onto cotton t-shirts. So I'm going to be using a black 100% cotton t-shirt. I have my Easy Subli here. This is just some Easy Subli that I got from Join Us warehouse here in Dallas, Texas. So this is not size Caesar Easy Subli. This is just it came from Join Us warehouse here in Dallas, Texas. So when you use the Easy Subli, you're going to be printing. You're going to be printing on this side. You're going to be printing on this side. It's a rough side, and then it's a glossy side. You're going to be printing on the rough side. So when you put the paper into your printer, you want to make sure the glossy side is face up, and that way the image is going to go down like that, or the image is going to come up like that and print directly on to the back side. If you are using an image that is broken up in pieces, you're going to need a mask to pull that image off of your carrier sheet here. You're going to need a mask to pull it off so that it will stay stuck. And a carrier sheet could be one of the sheets that you've used, or the mask could be the sheet that you use on a previous heat transfer. You know how you have that clear film left over? You can use that if you don't have the mask. But mine is going to be one whole image, so I'm not going to be using a mask at all because mine is just one whole image. So I'm going to use this full sheet so that when I pull this sheet off, I can just lay it down and then heat press it onto my cotton t-shirt, okay? So I have my image all ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in. Again, glossy side up. It's going to print on this side. I'm putting it in my Epson Workforce 7720 using my sublimation ink, okay? Easy Subli. This is not Caesar. This is just a brand that I got from Join Us warehouse here in Dallas, Texas, okay? And then I will come back and we'll start the process at the heat press on how we're going to get it onto that 100% cotton t-shirt, okay? Again, you use the Easy Subli, which will allow you to sublimate directly onto 100% cotton, okay? All right, be right back. If I said do not, I don't know why I got this light facing like that, because the light has me looking like really ghostly. All right, so I'm not sure if I said to do not mirror. Do not mirror. So here's my image printed out on the Easy Subli. Do not mirror for this process. And what you're going to do once you take it out of your printer, if you have it just one full sheet, I have one full sheet, and this is now the sticky side, okay? So I'm just going to peel this off, one whole sheet. You do not want to do this if you have pieces. You would use the process where you have to use a mask to pull all your pieces off. But I don't need a mask because I'm using one full image here, or one full sheet. All right, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on my cotton t-shirt face up, just like this. It's almost going to be like if you were doing a fabric transfer. This is now the sticky side, okay? So this is going to be sitting up on my t-shirt just like that, okay? And then I'm going to use the carrier sheet just to put on top, just to tack it down and to protect my heat press, okay? And I'm going to be sublimating this at, Join Us says 385 for 8 to 10 seconds, okay? So when I pull this up, normally when you sublimate, you end up with the paper, you end up with this paper left behind, right? And all your ink is in your shirt. When I get finished, I'm just going to remove my carrier sheet, and this is going to remain on my t-shirt, the entire thing, and the colors will be vibrant. You'll be able to see those colors come alive, okay? All right, so easy subly. You can see the full image. It's not very vibrant right now, but it will come alive once we put that heat to it, okay? All right, I'm going to see you at the heat press. All right, here we are at the heat press. I am going to go ahead and lay my image down. And I'm going to come down to make sure that I have my t-shirt positioned nicely. And okay, that's about the center point. So again, I'm not using a mask because I'm doing the full image. And I'm just going to use the same sheet that I took off the back. I'm just going to reuse it to protect my image here when I heat press it. You want to be careful when you take your image out of the printer because it's wet. That ink is going to be wet. So I got a couple of smears here on the edge, but this shirt is for me, so I'm not really stressing out about that. But I'm still going to use my Teflon sheet down here on the bottom because there's a little bit of overlap down there. And I don't want any of this ink to get into my heat press. All right, or into my platen. So I'm going to give it's at 183 Celsius. We're going up to 196, and then I'll bring you back when we're ready to start. All right, guys, we are now ready to go ahead and sublimate for 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and lower my platen. And just that quick, we are done. I'll remove that carrier sheet. And now you can see how vibrant those colors are. And we're going to go ahead now and remove that carrier sheet. And there we have it, our image sublimated onto 100% cotton. To me, this is almost like a fabric transfer. It's my first time doing this process, but it just feels like fabric transfer to me. But it's just another way for you to be able to sublimate directly onto 100% cotton. Even though the colors are vibrant, I don't think they're as vibrant as they should be. And maybe I should press it a little bit longer. I'm going to try that and see if it makes a difference. But yeah, there is my image. All right, so I'm going to pause you and just see if it makes a difference. All right, so I did it for about another 10 seconds. I still don't think it made a whole lot of a difference. I'm going to turn it around here so you guys can see the full image. But this is it. I think it's pretty, but to me, it just reminds me of doing fabric transfer, but, you know, with sublimation ink. I almost want to do an inkjet fabric transfer just to see if the colors are vibrant using this process, because they still look dull to me. But anyway, there you go, guys, using Easy Subli. This again is not Easy Subli from Caesar. This is Easy Subli that I got from Join Us here, Join Us t-shirt shop, t-shirt and vinyl shop here in Dallas, Texas. Okay. All right, so that's it, guys. I think it's pretty. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna, you know, wear it, but anyway, that is the process. Again, do not mirror. The Easy Subli goes directly into your printer. I did not have to use a mask because I used the full sheet of Easy Subli. I actually cut it down to 11 by 17 because it's actually 12 by 19. So I cut it down to 11 by 17 and made it the largest I could get it in my, you know, for my Epson right now. And I'm using the Epson Workforce 7720. But again, I think it's beautiful. Let me cut this heat press off. Hold on one second. There we go. But I still think it's cute. Don't get me wrong. I think it's pretty. But I don't know if these colors are popping more so than regular sublimation. You tell me what you guys think. Okay. Again, don't mirror. I got all my vinyl over there. Let me turn this around a little bit so you can see my face here. So you won't be talking to all that vinyl over there I'm messing around with. But this, guys, is, let me just turn it like that. There we go. All right. So again, this is using Easy Subli. It's not Caesar. I got this from Join Us here in Dallas, Texas. They do have a website, so you can go to their website to order their Easy Subli. You put the Easy Subli directly into your printer with the shiny side, which is that carrier sheet, facing up, and it's going to print on the rough side. And then if you're using a full sheet like I am, you just peel that carrier sheet off, and then you lay the image down like you would a fabric transfer. Not mirrored. You're not mirroring in any way, shape, fashion, or form for this process. You just lay the image directly down onto your heat press, and then you press it at 385 for 8 to 10 seconds. I did 20 seconds to see if it got any more vibrant. I don't think it did. I did use my Teflon sheet to be on the safe side to make sure that it doesn't bleed into my platen. And yeah, we'll see how long this process or this shirt will last with the Easy Subli. But you all tell me, how do you think it looks on my shirt? But this is just to be able to sublimate onto 100% cotton and still have vibrant colors and not have to worry about, it's not supposed to fade when you wash it. So that's supposed to be another plug or plus for Easy Subli. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you're currently in my Facebook group, guys, thank you so much for following me on Facebook at Doris Cricut and Creative Crafters. If not, and you would like to join our group, which is a private group, then send me a Facebook group request to Doris Cricut and Creative Crafters, and we'll go ahead and get you in the group. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and supporting me via YouTube. If not, and you like my method of teaching, guys, because I teach on some of everything, not just Cricut stuff. But if you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're already subscribed, please always thumbs up if you benefited from that tutorial. Or if you like something or learn something in that tutorial, because it lets creators like me know if we're headed in the right direction with the type of video tutorials that we're uploading for you. And then tell other people about my YouTube channel as well so that I can grow. I think I've been at it full-fledged now, just crafting and putting tutorials out there for a little bit over a year. And I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers. I think I'm about 200 shy. So please, 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 please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I do appreciate all of you. I truly do. All right. I'm going to put this image on the back of my shirt because I want it on both sides. My son told me I should start trying something new. So I'm going to put it on the back side as well. And my little shirt right here, I did as well. It took a little bit of weeding. Okay, a lot of weeding, but I absolutely love this shirt. This is glitter HTV on this shirt that I just did earlier this morning, and I absolutely love it. The image I got from Cricut Design Space, and then this image I got from SVG something. I'll put it in the description, but I got it from Etsy. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Easy Subli, Easy Subli. Another way that you can sublimate on 100% onto 100% cotton. All right. All right, guys, you know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.